Party people! No, kidding. Sorry. Okay, so this is February's budget. We are stuffing $16.35 this month, so we're gonna count it out and then get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 9.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15.50. 15.70. 15.80, 90, 16. 16.10, 20, 30. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16.35. I have no 5s this month. And I have a bunch of 20s because I didn't get to the bank. And so I had to take a bunch of 20s out from the ATM. So I'm going to be stuffing an inordinate amount of 20s this time. But I will get to the bank for next month. All right, so let's get started. We are going to start with our cash envelopes. And the first one is food. I have no money left in food. So, yeah, that's it. In fact, did I have to? I did. I had to pull from, I think, my miscellaneous envelope. It wasn't much, like maybe $20 or something like that. But, yeah, so I have to do better with food. I'm still buying more from, like, the delis or takeout. And I need to cook a little more often because I think that would save me money. Yeah, I'm overspending on food still, which was one of the reasons I even started this budgeting thing, because I was spending a massive amount of money on food and it was just junk. I was just eating my money. So I still have to do better, but I also don't want to starve myself. But I do realize that if I were to cook a little more, it wouldn't cost nearly as much. So I'm going to try that. Not sure when, but I am. So anyway, this month I'm giving myself $500 for food. Last month I think I gave myself $400, and that wasn't quite enough. So yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85. Okay, beauty, I think I spent, I spent all of that too. Have nothing left in beauty. There are some things coming up, like I'm getting a facial, and there's this skin cream that I want to get that is a little pricey, so I'm gonna have to save for that. Yeah, so I'll work that out. But anyway, I'm giving myself $60 for beauty this month. I'm going to hold off on the face cream because I think it was $72, and I don't want to blow my entire budget on this stuff. So that might be like a March thing. So anyway, $60, which will be 4 10s and a 20. This is for my tipping, like when I go get my either wax or laser hair removal or something. I need to tip the girls. So yeah, that's what this is for. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Fashion, I still have $30 in here. And I'm not stuffing anything because I don't go clothes shopping that often. So I may even change this to a sinking fund, but I was trying to do it to motivate me to just grab like one thing a month instead of just going on some spree once a year. I haven't done it recently, but I'm still trying. So that's the goal. So we're gonna leave it this way for now, but I don't know, it doesn't seem to really be working out quite the way I'd planned. So anyway, I'm not giving myself anything in fashion this month. Fun, I spent everything in fun. All of my money is gone. So yeah, so I'm giving myself $200 for this month. So that's gonna be 2 50s and 5 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 150, 200. Household, I still have $30. I don't think I need anything pressing right now. I don't think, but yeah, so I have 30 and I'm gonna give myself 60. So that'll be 3 20s. So my total should be $90. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Okay, miscellaneous is also gone, all spent. So I'm giving myself $100 for that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This is still kind of my catch-all. I'm not sure what's coming, but every time I go over in something else, I pull from this envelope. At some point, I will sit down and figure out where I'm either over budgeting or under budgeting, and then I may be able to reduce how much goes into miscellaneous. Sorry if you hear that in the background. That's my dishwasher, so sorry. But yeah, so that's my miscellaneous. Starbucks, I actually did buy something. This is $16 now. I need to update this, but there's still $16 in it, and I'm not going to do any Starbucks other than the $16 that I already have on the card. No more. I have to get it together, and yeah, Starbucks is just not a necessity, so that's gonna have to wait for a little while. So anyway, that is it for my cash envelopes. Okay, moving on. Oh. Moving on to my sinking funds. Okay, annuals. I have $5 left. That is it. And oh yeah, I think I took some money from household. Yes. So my Norton antivirus came out. You know, I keep saying that I don't think I have any more annuals, and then every month I get surprised. So apparently I had a lot more annuals than I thought. So anyway, my antivirus came out and I have $5 left. So I'm no longer gonna say I don't have any more annuals, because clearly I do. So anyway, I'm just going to give myself $100 this month, and we'll just see what comes. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then my 5 is already here. So I'll have $105. car, my car insurance is coming up next month, which is March. That is due every March and September. So yeah, so I got to get ready for that. I have $290 already in here, and I'm going to give myself $300 this month. So we'll have 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 300. So this should be $590. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 500, 520, 540, 560, 580, 590. Perfect. So next month when I stuff, there should be enough, hopefully, to pay the car insurance plus my gas for next month and this month, and maybe a car wash. We've had some snow recently, so the car looks disgusting, but every time I wash it, it snows again. So now I'm just like, forget it. I'm just not even gonna wash it because I just feel like I'm throwing money down the toilet. So yep, it looks gross. Okay, debt. I have my $500 placeholder in here, and I'm also going to give myself $200 this month. I have a credit card that is, right now it's 0% APR, and it will be until April. I can't remember the exact date, but April something, and then they're going to hit me with whatever interest, and I don't want to pay it. So I'm going to attempt to pay it off before April. I don't know, the market in January was terrible, and I think the entire month I made something like $54. I was actually just happy to get out in the black because it was just a nightmare. So yeah, I'm hoping February will be better than January, and I can kind of try to start digging myself out of this hole. Anyway, so with the debt, I'm giving myself $200. So we have 2 here plus my $500 placeholder. So that will be $700 in my debt. All right, emergency, I have $150, or at least I'm supposed to, and I'm giving myself only 10, just because I need to focus on the debt and my car insurance that's coming up. So this should be $160. So we'll have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60. Yep, perfect. I really am hoping to be able to do better this month. So when I stuff for next month, I'll have more that I can just give myself. Plus the weather's going to start getting warm, and I want to start going out again. And then, you know, there's more beauty stuff that is involved in the warmer weather than in the colder weather. You know, certain things got to get taken care of. But anyway, gifts. So I should have $50 in gifts, and I'm also giving myself 25 more. So 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there should be $75 now in gifts. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, $75 in gifts. Goals, I have $170 in goals, and I'm gonna add 20, which is here. So I should have 190 after it's all said and done. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 190. On travel, I'm adding 60 bucks. So that's 1, 2, 3. And there should be already $200 in here. So let's see where this is going. Back here. So we should have 260. So we have 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, 255, 6, 7, 8, 9, 260. Perfect. Okay, so all I need now, okay, so that is it. Still not stuffing the I want envelope just because that's for extra money that I don't have. So there'll be nothing in the I wants. I just have to continue to suffer. Anyway, that is it. So the last one will be my challenge envelope. I have stuffed it, I think 3 times since the last video that I made. So it's gone up a little bit. It's getting thicker. In fact, I probably will need to condense it. There's a lot of smaller bills in here because I would just grab exactly what I needed, and I probably will shrink it. No, I'll do it next month though. So I will grab my trusty jar here and take this off. Okay. And let's see what we got. We have 86. Can you see that? I don't know. I used a little green green pen on the green paper, so I'm not even sure if you could see it. I hope you can. But it's 86. So I have to go get my stash that I put aside just for this, and I will stuff $86. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back. So we have 50, 70, 80, 85, 86. So okay, so that is it. The next video I will probably condense this a little, and I'm still not counting it, so I'm not sure of the exact amount in here, but I'm gonna keep stuffing and saving, trying to improve my situation here. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.